Here we are on my iPhone, and right here I've got my App Store app. So I'm going to tap my finger on the App Store app. The first page it brings me to is referred to as the Today page of the App Store app, and this is basically just showing me what Apple is currently promoting today in the App Store. Their game of the day, their app of the day, any specials that they might be having in the App Store. For the most part, I really do not pay attention to this. If I want to download an app, I'm going to go right down here to my search button and give that a tap to search for a particular app. When I tap on that, I've got a search bar, and within this search bar I can type in the actual name of the app if I know it, and if I don't know it, I can type in a category that I want to search in. So for this example, let's do the category bird guides. So I'm going to tap on the search bar and type in bird guide. It gives me all this in a list, but I'm going to go right down here to my lower right corner and tap on search. And this brings up all the bird guides available in the App Store. And there are hundreds and possibly even thousands of different bird guides in the App Store. So how do I know what to look for? I always recommend, if you can get the name of the actual bird guide, that's always great. Someone can recommend it, a bird guide for you, or any type of app. So finding the name is always the easiest way. But if not, you can just kind of scroll down. And what I look for is I look for the ratings. So this has received 5 out of 5 stars of customer reviews. Out of 16,000 reviews, it's received 5 stars. So that tells me it's probably a pretty good app. And I can just kind of go by the name of it. And you'll see too that there is a get button, but there's also buttons that have a price next to it. Any app that has the word get next to it means that that app is free. If it doesn't have get and it has a price, that means that's the price for that particular app. And let me just say something here about the App Store. There are over 2 million apps available in the Apple App Store for your iPhone or your iPad. And out of those 2 million, over 90% are free. So the vast, vast, vast majority are free apps. So I'm going to scroll down here and let's say, okay, the one I'm kind of interested in is right back up here, the Merlin Bird ID. I know nothing about this app, so to learn more about it, I just tap anywhere and it brings up a specific page dedicated to just this app. And I can scroll down, I can read about what this app is, the features of the app, and so on. I can read customer reviews and ratings. And I can even get a preview of kind of what the app looks like as well. If I say, well, this isn't the one for me, I can go back to search and it brings me back to my main list. You'll also notice this little icon here on some of these apps. This means that this is an app that I have previously downloaded, but I have removed from my device. So I used to have this app, the Audubon Bird Guide, on my device, but I've deleted it since then. If I want to re-download it, I can simply tap on that icon and this app will be re-downloaded onto my phone. So let's say I've spent a little time going through the various ones, and I say, okay, you know the one I want this Sibley guide. I've clicked on it, I've read all the information about it, and I say, okay, this is the one I want for me. So I just simply tap on Get. And when I tap on it, it's going to ask me to install it. And this is my Apple ID account. So this is the email address associated with my Apple account. I tap on Install. The next screen that's going to come up is a screen asking you for your password. And this is the password for your Apple ID. So I would tap here and type in my password. After I type in my password, I tap on Sign In. It reads my password, and it starts the process of downloading the app onto my iPhone. You're going to see a little blue dot, and as that blue dot goes around and forms a circle, that indicates the status and shows you that the app is downloading onto your device, and now it's ready for you to open. If I tap on my home button and you say, okay, well, where's the app? Why isn't it here? I have to find it, and there it is. So in this case, it happens to be on the third page of my iPhone. That is it. You have just successfully downloaded an app. Congratulations and enjoy.
Before I wrap up today's video, I would like to tell you about the wonderful folks over at Lifespan. Lifespan provides information, guidance, and more than 30 services for older adults and their caregivers in the Rochester, New York, and Monroe County area. If you are over 60 and have questions, concerns, or need assistance, please call Lifespan at 585-244-8400 or visit their website, lifespan-roch.org. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need more information on group or private in-home instruction, please visit my website at DanielTeaches.com, or you can call me at 585-902-8450 or email me at daniel@danielteaches.com.